Good morning, I am Godavari. Today I discuss the topic regulatory bodies or regulatory authorities in the different countries. Okay, let's going to discuss the definition of the regulatory bodies. Okay, what is the regulatory bodies? A regulatory authority is an autonomous enforcing body created by the government to oversees and enforce regulation regarding the occupational health and history. Okay, this is the definition of the regulatory authority. मीन्स इन शॉर्ट इस डेफिनेशन में क्या है कि इन दिस रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटीज बनाया है गवर्नमेंट ने फॉर द पब्लिक हेल्थ और सेफ्टी। मीन्स इन शॉर्ट प्रोटेक्शन के लिए पब्लिक के दिस इज़ हमारी रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज़ होती है इन डिफरेंट कंट्रीज़ की। दिस इज़ अ रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज। ओके, लेट्स गोइंग टू डिस्कस द रोल ऑफ द रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटीज़। क्या रोल है? इट इज़ इस्टेब्लिशिंग द टेक्निकल सेफ्टी एंड क्वालिटी स्टैंडर्ड and monitoring their compound. This is the role of regulatory authorities. Then I discuss the let's going to discuss the country and its regulatory bodies. Mainly each countries have its own regulatory bodies. Okay, then USA and its regulatory bodies is US FDA, that stands for the United States Food and Drug Administration, and UK and its regulatory body is MHRA, that is Medicine and Healthcare Product Regulatory Agency, and Australia and its regulatory bodies are TGA, that is Therapeutic Good Administration. Then Europe and its regulatory bodies are EMEA, that is European Medicine Evaluation Agencies. This is a Europe regulatory bodies. Then South Africa की MCC होती है, that is the MC मेडिसिन कंट्रोल काउंसिल. एंड देन कनाडा की रेगुलेटरी बॉडी इज TPP, दैट इज़ द थेरापेटिक प्रोडक्ट प्रोग्राम. एंड सिंगापुर की होती है HAS, दैट इज़ हेल्थ साइंस एंड अथॉरिटी. एंड श्रीलंका की SPC, इट इज़ अ स्टेट फार्मास्यूटिकल कॉरपोरेशन. These all countries and its regulatory bodies. These regulatory bodies are handle the people or means safety of the patient or people. This is related to these countries. मीन्स जो स्पेसिफिक कंट्री होती है उसकी एक स्पेसिफिक रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज़ होती है. कुछ रेगुलेशंस रूल्स होते हैं, उनको फॉलो करके वो सेफ्टी और वो मेंटेन करते हैं. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज़ द form, which form is submitted to regulatory authority? It is the periodic safety report form. Okay, then what is the responsibilities of regulatory authorities? It is guaranteeing all approval, including for the provider service certified and supervision. Then assessing and rating services, it is second responsibility of the regulatory body. Then third is monitoring and enforcing the compliance. And this is the responsibilities of the regulatory authority. Then I discuss the purpose of regulatory authorities. It is ultimate purpose of regulatory authorities is usually to protect the health and safety and property of the public. Okay, this all about the regulatory bodies of different countries, and it is very important for the each country because of the health, because of health purpose. Thank you. This is all about regulatory bodies. Thank you very much.